Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Talakayin ko ngayon sa inyo ang kasanayan, very frequent na kinukot ng mga Kristiyano sa Old Testament, itong Isaiah chapter 9 verse 6. 9 versikulo 6 sa Isaiah. They are quoting it frequently but without understanding. Ito ho, basahin ko ulit. Refer daw ito kay Jesus Christ. Isaiah chapter 9 verse 6. According to the New International Version. For to us a child is born. To us a son is given. And the government will be on his shoulders. And he will be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace. Ito daw is referring to Jesus Christ. Totoo po ba? Totoo po ba mga kapatid? And this verse referring to Jesus Christ. Ngayon, hihimayin natin ang kamangmangan ng mga theologian regarding dito. Una, ayon sa mga rabbi, Jewish scholar, rabbi, especially the Tobias Singer, and other rabbi of the Jewish people. They don't believe this verse was referred to Jesus Christ. And they are laughing in the verse, in the Old Testament, referring to Jesus Christ, they are laughing because for them, Christ was a bastard. Mary Mary was a woman whose morality is down below the ground. And they are referring Jesus Christ as a bastard. Okay? Read the Talmud and Mask. Magbabawasan ninyo. So they don't believe this verse referring to Jesus Christ. And they are arguing that this verse was deliberately mistranslated by the Christian into future. Instead, this is past tense. For the Jewish, this is past tense, and they are laughing if the subject is referring to Jesus Christ. They said they deliberately mistranslated because they put it into future tense. So, but I'm not going with them. With neither to the Christians. I will say, isa-isahin natin. Okay? And the government will be on his shoulders. Kapag isinilang daw ang bata nito, given the government upon his shoulders. Tanong, kung ito ay referring to Jesus Christ, what government did he bring during his time? Did Jesus Christ present government system, government, or siya ang hinahabol sa government? The government upon his shoulder. Dati na ibig sabihin, presidente siya, commander-in-chief siya, ano pa siya? Gaya ni Moses, whatsoever, gaya ni Moses siya, nga kung ano ang sinasabi niya, masusunod. Batas ang salita niya. Siya ang law executor. Siya ang parang legislative body. Siya magbigay ng batas at siya din ang magpapatupad nito. Law executor. Government upon his shoulder. Saan? Anong government? Dala-dala ni Jesucristo. Ang aking katunggali na isang Roman Catholic, si Mr. Efren Yap, sabi niya, Christianity raw. Mayroon bang government ng Christianity? Mayroong democracy. Mayroong theocracy. So ano pa? Mayroong Islamic. Mayroong socialism, etc. Pero wala kong narinig na Christian government. Even during the papacy, yung powerful pa ang Rome, walang Christian government na tinatawag. Roman government, mayroon. Then aside from that, and he will be called Wonderful Counselor. Sinong tumawag ni Jesucristo? Wonderful Counselor? Of his 12 disciples of Jesus Christ. 12 disciples of Jesus Christ. Sino ang nagtawag ni Jesucristo? Wonderful Counselor. Wonderful Counselor. Sino? Another pa rin Another thing, mighty God. Tatawagin daw itong bata na ito na mighty God. Sinong nagtawag ni Kristo during his time? During the apostolic time, nagtawag ni Kristo or yung buhay pa siya dito sa mundo, naglalakad sa mundo, sino ang nagtawag sa kanya mighty God? Sino? Everlasting Father. Sinong tumawag rin kay Kristo? Yung buhay pa si Kristo dito sa mundo, yung naglalakad si Kristo sa mundo, sinong nagtawag sa kanya? Everlasting Father, Everlasting Father, Everlasting Father. Sino? Name. Bigyan mo ko yung pangalan. Nandiyan sa Biblia ninyo. The Prince of Peace. Huh? Sinong tumawag? Yeah, Prince of Peace. Yeah, Prince of Peace. Huh? Prince of Peace. Jesus, Prince of Peace. Sinong nagtawag sa kanya? Huh? Grabe nga niya, I did not come peace but sword. Huh? The children against their parents. Huh? In-laws against their mother-in-law. Mga kapatid, ito ang problema sa mga Kristiyano eh. Mag-quote sila ng Biblia without understanding. Basta lang, lalamunin lang kagad, lulunukin dahil nasanay kinukot eh. Isaiah chapter 9 verse 6, ganito. Kaagad tanggapin, lunukin. Hindi nga umuyain eh. Hindi nga tatanong kung tama pa o hindi. Pag a child is born, child si Jesus Christ na. A son is given, si Jesus na. Naku mga kapatid, hindi ganon. Yung mga pastor ninyo, mga reverend ninyo, mga pare ninyo, buksan naman nila sana ang mga mata nila. Na kung magbasa sila ng verse, tingnan ang linya, every word possible, kung anong kahulugan. And at the same time also, tingnan nila kung ano ang mga Jewish people, how to interpret their own book. Because itong Isaiah is a part of the Jewish book. Jewish books. The Tanakh. Very impossible that the Jewish, they don't understand their own book, the Old Testament or the Tanakh. And then the Christians today, they are the one who understood the book of the Jewish people. And aside from that, they give an interpretation which is surprisingly, the Jewish people, lumaki ang mata nila dahil hindi nila ganyan ang kanilang paniniwala. They never thought for even a moment na ganon ang kahulugan, mga kapatid. So, ulitin ko pagbasa. Mga bulag na mga leaders, para mahimasmasan kayo. Isaiah chapter 9 verse 6, New International Version. For to us a child is born, to us a son is given, and the government will be on his shoulders. What government did Jesus bring? And he will be called Wonderful Counselor. Sinong nagtawag sa kanyang Wonderful Counselor? Sino? Kailan siya tinawag? Saan? Mighty God. Sino nagtawag ni Kristo? Yeah, mighty God. Yeah, mighty God. Jesus Christ, mighty God. Oh, mighty God. Sino nagtawag sa kanyang mighty God? Sa kapanahonan niya. Hindi yung mga sulpot ngayon, Yung mga sulpot na relihiyon ngayon. During his time. Everlasting Father. Sa kapanahonan si Kristo. Sino nagtawag ni Everlasting Father? Hindi ito mga sulpot ng mga relihiyon. Naggawa-gawa lamang ng tao. Prince of Peace. Sa kapanahonan ng Jesus Kristo, the disciples of Jesus Christ, all the multitude were following Jesus Christ. Sino ang nagtawag sa kanya? Everlasting Father and Prince of Peace. Sino? So ito ay pagpapatunay lamang na bulag ang inyong mga leader. Ang leader ninyo, pangulo nyo sa simbahan ay mga bulag. Dahil tinuturuan kayo sa nakapikit ang mga mata na hindi naman nagkakatotoo. Why you are referring to Jesus Christ? This verse. So mga kapatid, maraming salamat inshallah. Sana you can share it sa ating mga kapatid, mga Kristiyano para magigising sila nga itong verse na ito, it's an hallucination ninyo, kathang-isip ninyo sa pagsabi that this verse was referring to Jesus Christ. Maraming salamat. Subhanakallah Allahumma bihamdika. Asyhadu la ilaha anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.